Did you know that a large part of the arable lands of Kyrgyzstan are subject to degradation and gradually turn into a lifeless desert? Degradation leads to land defertilization, lower productivity, and rural area poverty level increase. To end this process, Kyrgyzstan forged partnership with the United Nations to become a party to the Convention to combat desertification in order to conserve fertile lands of the country. Within the framework of the Convention, the government developed an action plan to combat desertification, agriculture productivity raise programs implemented, water and land use efficiency projects supported. Reducing land degradation and efficient irrigation techniques application leads to increase in productivity and living standards improvement. Kyrgyzstan will significantly improve population living standards by applying the obligations of the Convention. Only united efforts will conserve Kyrgyzstan's natural resources for our children. Save me, your Earth.